Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. But today I'm doing a review. I got this cup for free to do an honest review on it, and it is a 30-ounce stainless steel tumbler cup. And here's the name of the company, and this is the box that it came in. Also, it came in an Amazon shipping box, and this was inside of it. And this is the sleeve that goes on the cup. Goes on the bottom like that. Now, last night at 8 o'clock p.m. I filled this cup with ice and then filled it with water. It is now 11:30 a.m. the next day, so it's been about 15 hours and there is still ice in this cup. I hope you can see that. But there's still ice in the cup. And of course the water's still very cold. And here's the lid. The lid closes and opens. Now, the only thing that I have found is it does, when the lid is closed, it does pour out some. See, it still kind of will pour out, so if you knock it over, it still will leak. But that doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me at all. I love this cup right here. When I leave, I always take me some tea with me, and I do not like ice in my drinks if my drinks are already cold. So I will fill it up with some cold tea from my refrigerator, leave it in the van while I'm out shopping. And even though we've had some cold snaps, we've had some very warm days, and it still stays good and cold, even with no ice in it. So now I'm not much on hot drinks, but I'm gonna boil some water, fill it with some boiling water for that way, so like if you like hot tea or coffee, and we'll do a few hour test on that to see how warm that it stays. But I am loving this cup right here, and I will also have a link in the description box, and if you would like a cup like this, you can get a 30% discount. So make sure you click the link and put in the discount code to get 30% off. So I'll bring you back with the warm test review. And the cup never did get so cold that I couldn't just hold on to it. But like I say, you also have the sleeve to protect your hands from hot or cold. Alright, at 11:30 this morning, I filled it with some nearly almost boiling water. And I took the temperature of it then, and it was 190 degrees Fahrenheit. At 12:45 p.m., it was 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Then at 2 p.m., it was 160. At 2:30, 150. And then at 3:30, which it is now, it was 130. And the water is still very warm. Very hot, like that. Kind of burns the tip of my finger. So this is a great tumbler. I love it. Like I said, it's stainless steel, 30 ounces, and it comes with the little sleeve and the lid. I don't know if you can see it with the steam, but it does close too. So anyway, I really like it. So anyway, in the description box below will be the link to go to the product, and there will be a 30% discount code, so you'll get 30% off of it. I think this is awesome. I think it'll make a great gift, and I'm actually thinking about buying some more for a gift. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check it out and get 30% off. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all. And I wanted to add, while I had the hot water in there that was nearly boiling, the cup never did get hot. It never did get hot to the touch. And even with the ice water, it never did get like really cold to the touch. But again, you do have this sleeve that help grips it real good too. So I think that's a plus.